How to delete Safari on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to delete or uninstall Safari on iPhone. So if you're also annoyed with your Safari browser for some reason, and if you want to delete or completely uninstall the application, here's what you can do. So let me just quickly show you that whenever you head over to settings and just tap on this general option and just select this iPhone storage, and from over here you can see, or you can just locate the application that is Safari. So as you can see, there is no direct delete or uninstalling button over here because it's the default application, which is a built-in application. So if you have selected any other application, you can actually delete or offload the application from over here, but you cannot do that so for Safari. So in this case, what you can do instead is you can just disable your Safari browser from your iPhone. So to do that, just head over to settings, home screen once again, and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is screen time. So simply select it, and once you select it, now scroll down and click on this content and privacy restriction. So make sure you have enabled this over here, and now just tap on this allowed apps and features and just click on this disable button over here to disable the Safari, and just like that you will no longer have your Safari browser available on your device. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.